All right, let's look at the homework 2.7, problem number 3. All right, so we have this function s equals 8 over t squared, and we want to find the derivative at a and 1, 2, and 3. All right, so I'll just do a and maybe 1. All right. All right, so we want to take the derivative of s at a, so we have here. All right, so using the definition, so it's going to be a limit as h approaches 0. All right, then we have, let's say 8 over, so we have to put the a plus h, and squared. Minus, we have 8 over a squared over h. Right, so let's simplify that. So this is going to be limit as h approaches 0. Alright, so I'm going to just find the common denominator. So in this case, a plus h squared, a squared, sorry. Alright, then I'm going to, actually I'm going to pull out 8 here. So I'm going to pull out 8, so this is going to be 1. Alright, then you're going to have to multiply 1 by a squared, so you have a squared. Minus, then you have to multiply 1 by a plus h squared. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply a squared plus 2ah plus h squared, right? And then all over h, right? Then we have, let's see, a squared minus a squared cancel out. Then if you clean it up, right, limit as h approaches 0. Alright, so dividing by h, so this h right here is same thing as multiply the denominator by h. So I'm going to write it as h times quantity a plus h squared, right? Then you have a negative sign, so it's going to be negative. Then you have, actually there's a h in common, so I'll probably pull out the negative h. So we have 2a and then plus h. Alright, so that way we can cancel h on the bottom here and h on top because h over h is just 1. Alright, then h is going to 0. So this guy basically disappears. Alright, so you have a here, and so we can cancel one of the a here, and they're going to cancel that, so you have another a there. And then this h is going to 0, right? So it's kind of hard to see, but what's left is, right, so it's going to be, oh, actually, I forgot the 8 there, so 8 is still here. Alright, then you have negative. Alright, so you have a 2 times h, so this is going to be 16, and over, right, you have a squared plus times a, so it's going to be a cubed. Alright, so let's type this guy in. Alright, what we got was negative 16 over a cubed. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, so if t equals 1, all you have to do is replace a by 1. So you're going to have negative 16 over 1 cubed, which is negative 16. So negative 16, so let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. So I'll let you guys finish the t equals 3 and the t equals 2 and the t equals 3 cases. All you have to do is replace a by 2 or 3. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.